as there's Tesla as a smart car, iPhone as a smartphone, and we have an iTool. The DR iTool is a smart tool. Now let me show you how smart it is. So it's connecting by the Bluetooth to the iPad. So the speed of the gun, it can be adjusted by this tool from the menu here, and the torque is also adjustable. But the funny thing is, as soon as connect to the iPad, you can control the speed as well. So now the speed is in 6%. Listen to the sound. So it's just like a car. You can control your speed by the iPad. It's like hitting on the accelerator to make it faster, but instead of hitting it physically, you do it by computer. Isn't that cool? And in here, it can read the torque, the angle, and speed by an iPad. So it can record all the data and save on the computer or iPad. So whenever there is something needed to go back to check what speed and what torque and what angle you fasten the nut or bolt for the car or for any electricity appliances, you can go back and review whether the worker has done the right job or wrong job. So when it's good, it shows you okay on the screen. So let's try this one. It's okay. Because the speed was too fast. So let's go back to change it to lower. Otherwise it's very hard to handle. Right? Let's go back to here. It's much better now.